everyone, myself Rohita Melita, Faculty Department of Commerce. Today I am going to deal with the concept marketing mix and the elements or components of marketing mix. So now let us see the concept. So who introduced marketing mix? Marketing mix was introduced by Neil H. Borden, and the elements such as product, price, place and promotion. So it was introduced by Jerome McCarthy. And in addition to the 4 P's such as people, process and physical evidence, it was further introduced by Boom and Bittner in the year 1981. So this is an introduction regarding to the concept of marketing mix. So now let us see what is the meaning of marketing mix. It is simple. It refers to the set of actions company uses to promote its brand or a product in the market. That means what are the strategies a company uses to move its product in an market. That is called as marketing mix. Now let us see what are the elements or the components of marketing mix. So here product, price, place and promotions. Now let us see in each in a detail. So first element, that is product. So products are the commodities and the services that solve problems and satisfy the needs of a consumer. So individual, so we everyone have a various kinds of needs. So to satisfy those needs, we actually prefer a product, right? That may be in terms of commodity or in terms of experiencing a unique service. That is called as what? A product. So a product can be tangible or intangible. So tangible in the sense the items what you can see and feel and touch, right? So the examples goes like this. So the toothpaste or the bottle, so where you can see, touch and feel. So those can be a tangible products. And here below you have intangible products. That may be the experience what you get from a services. That may be a service of a doctor or a service of a teacher, etc. Our need for a product keeps on changing. So for example, so earlier people used to use the cell phones such as keypad. So we didn't even imagine at that age or at that period, like in our further days or in our future, we used to get a cell phone, so where we can touch it with our fingers so that one application opens, right? So that is called as the need for a product keeps on changing as per the market, the demands. So next you can see here it is about the dressing sense or the dress or the clothing or the fashion of a individual. So it keeps on changing. So earlier they used to wear a traditional way. So nowadays as trends are going on, so people prefer so what is required for the present generation. So that is called as what? So the product according to the needs of a people keeps on changing. So next so now a marketer has to take into consideration the certain set of questions. So first is that what does product accomplish? So that means what you get from a product. For example, it's soap. So what are the uses of a soap? Soap is a product, right? So what it accomplish? So it can be used for various purposes. So for example, to bath, to wash the clothes, etc. So next, does the product fulfill a need or provide a unique experience? For this you can use this example. So you pay the money for a movie ticket and you go to a movie theater and you sit there and you watch a movie, maybe for 3 hours or 1.5 hours, something, right? So here you pay the money, right? So you watch the movie and you get an unique experience. That is called as a one kind of service. Next concept, that is the second element of marketing mix, is a price. It is important to set a price that reflects the current market trend and is affordable for consumer at the same time, and it should be profitable for the business also. So it is simple. So product must be included of the price. So the price must be affordable to a consumer, and it must see when a marketer fixes a price for a product, he has to analyze the demand for a product and the market scenario regarding the price and the similarities of the prices for the similar products. The marketer has to take into consideration, so what is the affordability and price range of the target consumers, and also what is the lowest and the highest price for the product. What price is too high and too low for the target audience to buy or purchase their commodity. Place. Where and how the products or the services are purchased by a consumer. Place is nothing but, so where the individuals or the consumers, they go and buy their products which satisfy their needs. For example, the retail shops, malls, online shopping, social media, etc. So these are the places where individuals or the consumers buy their product according to their taste preferences. Now the marketer has to consider, so which places the buyers visit frequently. He has to do some research regarding this. So where does the people go and what they do buy, okay, and what are the shopping habits of the target consumers. So what they mostly prefer, which product or which brand or which company. Next element is promotion. Making the consumers aware about a company's product or service is called as what? A promotion. So for example, to make you understand is that, so Kantara movie, I hope all you have watched this movie. So here they didn't even do any kind of promotions as per a large motive. So what they did, so the people who watched the movie, so they only gave a publicity regarding this movie, right? So you can call it as another kind of word of mouth, right? Next one is print media. So you can promote your products, company products, through print media, social networking, etc. Thank you.